Most of Haiting's commune farmland has been hit by saltwater intrusion. Strong winds and heavy rain pushed seawater over the Haiting 3 dike and into fields along its base. Although the floodwater has started to recede, many remain anxious, especially about how to restore the soil and replant after the salt damage.
Up to now, after this storm, all the melons and vegetables that people planted have been wiped out. Once the floodwaters recede, everything will be completely gone. They've lost everything and have no income left.
I invested in seeds to grow kohlrabi, but now everything is underwater. As for the honeydew melon patch here, we could only harvest a little. The rest is gone. The damage is close to $1,100 US.
After the storm made landfall, emergency crews moved residents to designated shelters. They were given sleeping space and meals, but many are still shaken, worried that their possessions back home may be lost.
I never expected the storm to be this strong, but the commune authorities told everyone to stay here at the primary school and assured us that nothing at home would be lost. We just needed to rest.
As Ninh Binh starts its long cleanup, residents say their priority is stabilizing the most exposed homes and fields before the next round of weather.
Throughout Ninh Binh province, it has been reported that 9 people have been killed because of the tornadoes that swept through the region. So in overall, there have been 6 communes that have been affected by the tornadoes that swept around the area.
Local authorities said compensation and credit support would be readied for families facing crop failure and home repairs, while technical crews continue reinforcing dikes and restoring power in stages.